And I
The
totally
stem.
recommend the very sharp knife. If you know that technique, you never cut your finger. So sharp knife is really important for me.
Yeah.
So if it's not sharp enough,
Yeah.
I'll tell you how to sharpen your knife. It
Yeah.
looks like sharpen, but if it's not sharp enough,
Yeah.
you can just water, and
On the back of a plate like that.
yeah, that's easy to sharpen.
Really?
Easiest way to sharpen.
I didn't know that, Masayo.
Yeah, or tin foil. You can cut the tin foil, pew, 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 pew. Even tin foil from the, some confectionery cake.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like this tin foil, right?
Yeah.
You can. It's kind
That
of.
sharpens it?
It's a little bit. Not so much though, but
Yeah.
a little bit sharpen.
Oh.
But
It's good to know.
yeah, it's a good. First recommendation is bottom of the rough plate.
Yeah.
I think maybe once in a week would be great, right? Oh, so easy, so easy.